Hi guys, this is Daniel from F&D. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whiten teeth using Photopea. So let's get started. First open Photopea. I'm going to use this image for this tutorial purpose. To whiten teeth, you need to add only one adjustment layer, which is hue and saturation. Click on new adjustment layer icon and select hue saturation and click on here and click on this teeth region. Change the sample size to 5x5 and click on this teeth region. Now increase the hue and saturation. You can see the teeth portion is selected. Using this slider, you can adjust to select only the teeth. After adjusting, make the saturation back to 0 and hue back to 0. Now increase the lightness to 100 and reduce the saturation to -100. And you can also adjust the hue value slightly to something like -8. And you can see the before and after. This is the before and this is the after. You can also see the hue and saturation is affecting the face. So click on this Raster Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert. Now select the brush tool. Select the 0% hardness brush. Increase the size. Make the foreground color to white and brush only the teeth. Let's see the before and after. This is before and this is the after. Let's try this on another image. So this is the image I'm going to use. Add a hue and saturation adjustment layer. At first it will be in master. And click on this and select the teeth. And increase the hue and saturation. And adjust this slider to select only the teeth. And now make the hue to 0 and saturation to -100 and increase the lightness and reduce the hue a little bit. Let's see the before and after. This is before and this is after. Adjusting this slider a little bit. Now invert this raster mask. Select the brush tool and brush only the teeth area. I'm going to increase the hue a little bit. Okay. That's it. This is the before and this is the after. So that's it. This is how we can whiten teeth using Photopea. You can also try this method in Photoshop as well. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, give thumbs up, subscribe this channel for more future tutorials. Also press the bell icon so that you can get instant notification when I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Bye.